everyone, I'm Hermione Tandon, your mentor, and the objective behind making this video today is how to improve your reading speed. So basically at this point of time when there are only 2 months left for your exam, the most common question that arises is how to increase the reading speed, because mostly complaint क्या आती है that we are not able to solve our mocks, we are not able to complete our mocks just because हमारी reading speed ही अच्छी नहीं है. So basically हमारी reading speed अच्छे ना होने के 2 reasons होते हैं. One is कि हमारी vocab अच्छी नहीं है and the second is कि हम reading के इतना flow में नहीं है, हमें reading छोड़े हुए काफ़ी ज़्यादा time हो गया है कि हम उसे grasp भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So for vocab कोई बहुत ज़्यादा comprehensive task नहीं है, just आप अपनी high frequency words की एक list निकालिए and practice 20 to 25 words daily and that will be more than sufficient, because if you practice 20 to 25 words daily you will be able to complete 600 to 700 words in a month, and believe me that is pretty much sufficient for your CLAT exam. Now coming on to second, the thing is कि हम किसी specific type of passages में weak हैं या फिर हमें reading छोड़े हुए इतना time हो गया है कि हम उन passages को read करने में इतना ज़्यादा time लगाते हैं. So basically I'm gonna share 3 tips with you. First is please read newspapers daily. Do not leave the editorial section. The 2 newspapers which I would recommend is the Hindu and the Indian Express. So basically when you read those editorial sections of these newspapers, your reading speed becomes really great, and these are the type of passages that you can expect in your exam. The second thing is कभी कभी हमें होता है कि कुछ specific genres of passage में हम बहुत ज़्यादा confused होते हैं, हम उन्हें समझ नहीं पाते हैं. So I would recommend some sites for you like Aeon, the Walrus, the Atlantic, the Reader's Digest and the SciTech Daily. So basically जैसे हमें किसी को हिस्ट्री का पैसेज समझ नहीं आ रहा, किसी को इकोनॉमी में दिक्कत है, किसी को साइकोलॉजी पैसेज में दिक्कत है, so you can refer to these website, you can go through these specific genres of passages. And the third thing I would recommend is take your previous mocks and solve them with a timer, because suppose you are doing your English section or you are doing your CR section, just starting में आप क्या करेंगे, आप 30 minutes का timer use करें. 30 minutes में just solve the entire section, check it and realize कि आप कितना accurately अपने section को जो है वो solve कर पा रहे हैं. Then धीरे धीरे आप इसे reduce कीजिए. Like for the first time you did 35 minutes of timer, then you set 30 minutes of timer, and in the next week you set 25 minutes of timer. And for English or CR section I would recommend that 23 to 25 minutes is sufficient. So these are the tips which I would recommend to you, and trust me, if you follow these tips you will be able to ace your exam. So bye bye.